These strange, robotic dogs trigger an almost immediate visceral reaction. They don't just sit there like traditional sculptures, they interact and feel oddly alive.
It's pretty usually a visceral reaction to it.
The idea behind this exhibition is to push art beyond something static and turn it into something unpredictable, something that exists in real time. Powered by advances in artificial intelligence and robotics, these machines wander around, avoiding each other, observing their surroundings, and capturing images of what they see. But here's where it gets even stranger. They then generate and print artwork in the style of iconic artists.
Are taking pictures of everything they see and pooping out prints in the style of that person.
One creates distorted abstract visuals inspired by Pablo Picasso, while another produces bold, repetitive prints reminiscent of Andy Warhol. It's bizarre, fascinating, and slightly unsettling. But beyond the spectacle, there's a deeper message. In the past, artists like Picasso didn't just create art, they changed how we perceived reality itself. Today, that power may have shifted. Instead of painters and visionaries, it's tech billionaires shaping what we see and consume, and ultimately, how we understand the world. This installation forces us to ask a difficult question. Are we still seeing through the eyes of artists or through the lens of machines controlled by someone else?